Smells like food. So we just washing clothes and not telling nobody. I guess ain't nobody in here. Okay. The reason why people put blush on their face is to bring back the color. Because when you put foundation on, you wash your face completely out because you're evening your skin tone. Right. So for more color, that's why people put blush on their cheeks so that it looks like the color is back in your face. A little bit more. So as much as you want it to look like, you put it on there. Okay. And then if you don't want it to look, if you want it to look subtle, you can blend it in with your blender there. Your blender. Blender? Yeah. Yeah.
Even though it already has makeup on it?
Yes, that's the point. Because you're blending it in.
And then just do that one spot?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, bring it all together.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, I took it back off.
No, it blends in. That's what I'm saying. If you do as little or as much as you want. So if you want it to look subtle, then you can leave it like that. But if you feel like you need a little more, then you can put more on top of this.
Okay, so then I feel comfortable with that.
So you did your foundation, lashes. Did you do mascara?
I didn't do mascara. I didn't bring mascara.
Okay.
I do have a this is a Mr. Shakina though. I do have my liquid eyeliner somewhere in here.
And that comes last after you do your eyeshadow.
Yeah. No, I just pulled it out.
Other than that, you just set your face and then you're done.
Okay. So then I use the same brush that I used before.
You're gonna set it with a powder.
I have this. This is what I said it. Right? Use the same thing, right? That's all I got.
No, I hear you. I'm looking at a brush. Do this one. But don't use that. Use that one.
Okay.
Because that's going to put too much. Because this is where you want it to disperse. So if you get about that much and you put it all over your face and just swirl it in. Swirl it in. Swirl it in.
Because you got Patrick Ta stuff.
Child, I haven't bought makeup.
I just recently,
yeah.
It's
like, I think
mine was years.
I didn't even buy it. Drew bought me makeup last year for my birthday, and that was the extent of me buying anything. I didn't even buy it. I'm mad we bought that same culture palette here.
Yeah, I love that palette. I wore it today.
Samari, that's what Samari had on today.
I really. She had an orange. What's an orange in there?
Mm-hmm. It has an orange. It has orange and pink and greens. Got all kinds of stuff in it.
And I bet you by the time we get ready to go, this rain gonna be gone anyway. You know they don't last long. This one.
Oh, y'all bold. Y'all drinking the ice?
Oh yeah. Because we already they washed our dishes, or did one of y'all wash the dishes?
No, they did everything. She put our stuff away. Did she organize y'all's room?
Yeah, she put our luggage right.
Yeah,
luggage holder and everything.
Our stuff was set up so nice. I said, now I gotta figure out which. I mean, it's great, but I'm like, I gotta figure out where she put everything because it's so organized.
Yeah, we put ice mask on. They're using the water to clean the glasses.
Yellow.
Yeah. We've already had ice.
Yellow.
Coffee.
One more for the party?
Yes. We do need to discuss. I know we already said we don't like pulling names out the hat.
Oh yeah,
how are we going to decide about next year?
If anybody
conversation.
Conversations are hard to have with you people. Y'all can't even do texting.
Conversations are hard to have.
Conversations are phone.
You got your phone with you? I got my iPad in the
I got my charger.
Okay. I'll take pictures of the rain.
You did the white room.
Oh, that was very realistic, Lisa.
Did you do the white room or the dark room?
White room.
Let me try your white room.
I haven't tried it yet, so I didn't.
It's strong.
Sitting over there. We've done that. It's strong. Well, it's 2 parts rum and a half part Coke.
Yeah, it really is. It really is.
That was like perfect.
Yeah,
last time we had the bottom, so I can get that. That was fine. So we're definitely staying in the country next year.
Yeah, we have to do it. We have to do it in the country.
In the country.
I can't go out of the country 2 years. I mean, I do.
Right.
But
You
not
go.
for girls trip.
After I discharge my juice, I'm useless. A's are small ones. B's are big ones. Licking your fingers.
Batteries.
Yeah. Back.
I wasn't gonna get that. I don't even
Y'all
know where
three
that
go
was
against us
going.
three. The first person to 10 wins, and we just got one.
Well, we got one
No,
too.
that doesn't. No, that
Okay, start over.
doesn't make sense.
Y'all three go against us three.
Yeah.
So the game.
Yeah.
Oh,
the food How was your lobster last night? Was it good?
Good.
That food was pretty good.
I wish they
Because
would have
I
some
don't-
a little
eat at
butter
restaurant,
sauce so
I-
it could dip
I'd be like,
inside.
everything was good. Now I like the sauce they put on the shrimp, but it was too creamy. Like it had too much going on. But it was good. It was just
Their
too much
sauce
texture.
hasn't been.
It's very
the best.
textured. Everything's I don't like all the different textures.
They like
What is
fruit
it?
sauce here. I
Yeah,
noticed.
everything
Like,
is fruits. Yeah, because everything was sweet.
It
The
makes sense.
sauce was sweet, but
All
it
their
was,
sauces have fruit.
Nah, I'm not eating that.
What is
Cause
it?
why are you looking
It's a
at me like that?
snapper.
That's a snapper.
That's what I'm eating.
That's
That's
I think
what
I'm
I would eat that,
Yeah.
Lisa.
That thing looks scary.
I stick my foot right in his face and eat it.
Kels, you want to share a snapper? You want to share a snapper? Because I can eat a whole
Yeah, I'll
thing
eat that.
That thing looks so scary.
Y'all gonna make me.
Anything
Like-
that come up out the sea, I'll try it.
Like, take the head off. That's what it is. Like, I eat
No, it was
but
said about her shrimp.
take the
Like,
head
I
off.
said, can you put no head on top of here? What is this? So y'all could have left that off.
I said, no, it caught out the ocean. That's why I had Kels. That was the Kels.
It's
It's time
like
right
you watch the mukbang Asian women that be stuffing their mouth. I think that's so sexual. I think it's like a hidden like sex trafficking thing. I'm gonna look and see. Is it like sunset too, like what we just left, or it's outside?
It's outside now. It's not the best
I
view.
have cheese
But
tortillas.
it's outside.
Yeah.
Show me your pancakes. Did you already start eating them?
No, I ain't got no syrup.
Yeah, she know. I'll go for the food.
Pancakes.
They've been there since 2003.
What's that running?
That's,
What's that running?
they're outside.
He got, and that's the guy. He's cleaning them.
Take a quick moment to show you guys what we got as gifts because I realized I didn't tell you guys the other day. So Anthony and Andrew bought us these. I waited. Andrew got us these masks or bandanas for our face for the ATV rides. We also have the fan and a charger to come with it. To be honest, I don't remember who got what, so Lisa got us these little gift bags that say Costa Rica on it. It actually smells really good from Bath & Body Works with a headband. And I believe she bought us an anklet. This is mine. I can't remember if, I think it's Lisa that bought these. So, 2 anklets. One also has my name on it, but I don't know where it is. And then, or my letter. And then Keena bought us these waterproof pouches with a mirror inside. So those are the gifts for everybody there. And I think I showed you guys the gifts that I got. If I didn't, this is the gifts that I got for everybody. So they get a collapsible water bottle, makeup removing wipe, a Benadryl pen, and some moisturizer. I think I showed you guys this when I packed my bag, but this was my gift to everybody. Right now, we're getting dressed to go do the ATV tour. Hi guys, we are showered and we're going up the stairs.
Makeup technique.
She told, they was like, what did you learn for your class? I was like, it wasn't that much different than what we do now.
You can be a big fit too.
Beat them. Oh my gosh.
Did we?
Yeah, they just got here.
I think they took up some more mud.
Oh, this is Ava's outfit I got on right now.
Oh, wow.
Y'all can always just clothes.
They were talking about I have to pay for it first.
Oh.
I ordered a lot of stuff.
I noticed that like at Publix, you know, when you buy them those bowls, you're paying for them to cut it up.
Oh yeah.
So I
Yeah. I was honest with my ass. Like, just give me all that type of stuff. Give me a little sandwich.
No, they actually cooked.
Like, cook. Put their foot in it.
Cook. Imagine my surprise. I got the Costa sign. So we're doing a little detour because we're gonna go find out where the beach is.
Because I was very humble.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta go
okay.
up this, you gotta go up this ramp.
Gotcha. Okay.
They're not that big. That one's huge. No, they're not that big.
Our concierge left us a lovely gift. Look at that.
This is big too. They are all big.
Here, put it.
No, I don't need that. I'm gonna put it right there. The powdered sugar. Ooh, it's a corner piece. You can have the corner.
I'm in Anthony's room. It's raining right now, but we got a doggone wraparound patio. And then this, and they see Lisa ain't made it. There's Lisa in there, but we have an outdoor shower in there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then our room is down there.
If y'all go to BFD, it's like a dramatic difference too. Like, y'all gonna be like, God dang, why is our room so cold?
We were so cold, so we just turned things off like a fan.
Hey, y'all should have
We turned our air off. We got cold.
We did too.
Yeah. We'll turn it on at night when it's time to go to bed, but when we come back inside, we turn it off when it's freezing.
Lisa did pull out an extra blanket, but I'll do an extra blanket.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna turn off my hair. I don't know.
Let's go upstairs and see what's up here. To be honest, I think I might just hang out on the day bed. This is our kitchen. We had a nice little fruit arrangement up here that our concierge Fabio put up here. I'm telling you, if y'all come here, get with Fabio, because Fabio is a 20 out of 10 in terms of service. It is amazing. It's currently raining outside right now though, so. But the ambiance is just so nice and so just calm. It's amazing. I am dressed and ready to go. This is what I'm wearing, in case you guys want to know. Boy, my calves are gonna be spectacular. Oh, TD, you can't really see it, sorry. There. No makeup. Don't care, not doing it. Oh, don't you guys look nice?
Thank you. Oh,
You and Samari will be dressed similarly.
Oh, you look cute, Kels.
Why, thank you.
You look really good.
I like nice. I like those, that skirt. Try it. We almost.
So, arriba.
Arriba. Yeah, I did.
Darn it, Kel, I was waiting to do it.
Sorry. Arriba, abajo.
Wait.
Arriba, abajo, al centro, adentro.
Not you just getting in the end. It's Kelsey.
Gracias. So we are at Ronnie's place. You guys can see the sign up there with the goils. Y'all should have peeped my Spanish. Y'all should have peeped my Spanish when I got here. I was like, una mesa por 6 personas, por favor. Like, Duolingo, not sponsored. Samari, I'm already 3 sheets to the wind, but don't tell nobody.
You need to pick up like really.
Oh yeah.
What you gonna rate it on a scale from 1 to 10? 1 to 10. 10 out of 10?
Hey, good.
It's like a coconut-based drink, I think.
With like a cream.
Okay.
Or liquor, I don't know. It's delicious. I don't know.
You know what? You got sex on the beach.
Yeah, mine is really good.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Y'all should swap
It's a very
so she can try yours. Yeah, pick it up.
Right. My arm must have come out from
Good.
it.
I like it.
I'm gonna let Samari slippery mine down.
That's really, really good.
Are you getting a picture of everything?
Look,
You got the rice and chicken.
don't nobody eat
You
nothing.
got rice and chicken too?
Don't nobody touch it.
Man, stop that right.
Not don't nobody touch it.
Oh, you need a burrito.
Thank you.
I'm excited.